This is introduction to Mongo database, mongoDB. What is MongoDB? MongoDB is one of the most popular open source database management system which uses NoSQL database system or technology. NoSQL stands for not only SQL, non-SQL or non-relational. This is a technology in database where data or information is stored in JSON-like documents instead of rows and columns used in RDBMS. There are mainly two types of database category: RDBMS or relational database like SQL Server or Oracle, etc., and NoSQL, that is non-SQL database like mongoDB, Redis, etc. MongoDB is a document-oriented database which stores the data in JSON-like documents, whereas the RDBMS stores the data in table format, having rows and columns, and uses structured query language to query the database. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It stores the data in key value pair notation. For example, in the braces you can see name and the value is Shaji, location and the value is Mumbai, where name is the key and the value is Shaji. Okay, again location is the key and value is Mumbai. This type of notation we call it as JavaScript Object Notation. If you want to insert thousands of records in a second, then MongoDB is the best because it is used for real-time data processing. Horizontal scaling, that is adding new columns, is very easy in NoSQL as compared to RDBMS systems. Auto sharding is one of the features in MongoDB. When data gets huge, for faster processing, MongoDB distributes the data or the records across multiple machines and processes it quickly. This technique is called sharding. In this way, MongoDB challenges the capacity of single servers and meets the demands of growing data in the database, like big data, etc. In MongoDB, there is no schema. It is schema-less. It is a schema-less database, or there is no rigid schema. That means database does not have any fixed structure. It does not enforce any data type, limitations or constraints, and can store structured data or unstructured data. In MongoDB, there is no store procedures or functions or triggers. So there is no chances to implement any business logic in the database level, which can be done in the RDBMS system. Who uses MongoDB? MongoDB was built for people who are building internet and business applications, who needs to evolve quickly and scale elegantly. Internally, the MongoDB stores the data in BSON format, that is binary JSON. It is the fastest. Here is the list of NoSQL databases. The first one is MongoDB. That's what we're learning. Other than MongoDB, we have Redis, Couch, and so on. MongoDB terminologies. Database in mongoDB, Mongo we call it as database, whereas tables are called collections. Rows or records are called documents. Columns are called fields. So in Mongo, the terminology is different. Thank you for watching.